Repair inflatable bathtub need to use torque wrench, patch, repair glue. The torque wrench is used to reinforce the air ports and fix air leakage problems. Clamp the torque wrench onto the inflation port and rotate it vigorously. Tighten the inflation port and the air leakage problem can be fixed. Squeeze glue onto the hole once, making sure that the glue penetrates into the creases. Wipe off the remaining glue and press it flat. Then apply the glue for a second time. After the glue has completely dried, apply a third layer of glue. The small gap will be repaired. Once the glue dries, it will be transparent and leave no marks, so the repair will be undetectable. First, cut the repair patch into the desired shape to ensure that it completely covers the broken area. Please note, don't let the inside drawn wire fillings coming out. Outline the shape of the repair patch with a pen. And evenly apply glue around both the repair patch and the broken hole. After 3-5 minutes, a hairdryer can be used to speed up the drying of glue. When the glue is dry, accurately stick the repair patch onto the large hole. Use a small tool to press the repair patch firmly, and then let it stand for 24 hours. Repair completed. If you have any other after-sales problems, please feel free to contact us online at any time.